Hi, I'm Ty with Total Finishing. We're here at IWF 2024, going to show our Challenger award-winning Total Flatline Automation System. So what we're able to do with this is take any brand of flatline and make it a one-man operation. Typically, flatlines have to have 3 or 4 operators to load and unload parts. We've taken that and changed the game totally. All right. We're using this line featuring the VD Simple Dynamic, which thanks to the dynamic gun tracking, which you'll see in a few minutes, allows us to save 25% of the material versus any other reciprocator made. It also gets superior edge coverage, both on the exterior of a part and an interior like a shaker door. What we're able to do here with loading cabinet doors, we can take a part as short as 15 inches, in this case up to 12 feet, so we can make these customizable if you have longer or potentially shorter parts. We're going to load onto the belt simply by aligning to make sure our part is touching 2 of the fat stripes. We never load on a skinny stripe or between skinny stripes. Congratulations, you now know how to run the machine. That's all there is to it. So you can run the belt continuous and follow those rules, or in this case you can run it as a batch, as a charge, which is what we've done because it's the show. I simply press the start button and you're going to see the parts advance. This system runs external of any of the flatline controls as far as the load and unload system. So it has its own light bars. As the parts break the light barrier, you're going to see the oscillation begin. Notice how the guns are moving forward with the belt speed and then retracting at the end of each reciprocation. That's what gives us the perfect 50% overlap with no V or W stripe. That allows us to put on the absolute perfect amount of material consistently throughout the application. That's what saves us the material. The V stripe would cause you to over-apply what you want. This is also giving us good, perfect edge coverage and no halo. We're running the Total Finishing Auto Viper Extreme guns. They're backwards and forward compatible with the Kremlin AVX gun for about half the price. Same performance. Same bolt patterns, everything lines up. You can see the parts are exiting. We're spraying a water-based spray no wipe stain. That would be death to spray on most any other reciprocator. And that's why you typically don't see our competitors spray stain at a show. So the parts are breaking the light barrier. Once we move past the last light barrier, they're going to accelerate into place. They line up with the arms and they're automatically racked. The system will know what level to rack them on. Once a rack is full, we can push that rack into our Total Cure IR ovens, where if it's a water-based coating, we can probably dry it in about 4 to 5 minutes. Most typical solvent-based coatings, only 8 or 10 minutes. Stain like this, we can probably do in about 1 minute. So makes your turnaround time very, very fast. We do have options at the beginning of this to automatically unload from a rack simply by adding this same piece to the beginning of the line. We also offer part inversion. So after it's loaded, we have a system that would flip the parts in line, so we can do as much automation as you want. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stop paying for too much labor with 3 and 4 guys running your flatline. That's crazy. You can do it with 1 part-time guy running your flatline. Okay? Contact us at totalfinishing.com. Look us up. We've got reps nationwide. We can come out and service you and make this happen and save you guys a ton of money. Thank you.